started.
All right.
I'm gonna want what I'm at.
I'm just kidding.
Hey, light that fucker.
I was like, fuck. What the hell?
Oh yeah, look at that
There
shit.
it goes. It's going.
Throw some on there.
It'll go. It'll go. Just wait. Just let it go.
concrete, ain't it?
It's fucking cool.
Whoa, I'm about to drop this whole thing.
Hey, WD-40 there, dude.
And four.
Easy, Greg. Don't blow that up while he's right next to it.
That didn't go out really quick though.
Oh shit. Whenever you're ready, big guy. Oh my god, look at that. Yeah, whenever you're ready.
Easy, buddy. Hey, Greg, get a little higher, dude.
1, 2, 3, go!
Go!
Put that fucker out, hurry up!